So people have questioned whether umbilical cord stem cell therapy is good for cartilage repair. Well, a new study shows that not only is it very good for cartilage repair, but it's much better than bone marrow cell therapy. A very well done new study out of Malaysia was just published in a peer-reviewed journal, the Medical Journal of Malaysia, looking at 28 patients who had cartilage defects greater than 1 centimeter in size. Now, 17 of them received umbilical cord stem cell therapy, and the other 11 received bone marrow aspirate cell therapy. So initially, all the patients had an arthroscopic look at the knee to see how large these lesions were and other parameters. So for the bone marrow patients, there was 11 of them. They took some bone marrow from the iliac crest, they mixed it with some hyaluronic acid, and they put it directly into the cartilage defect, the lesion. Now, for the umbilical cord stem cells and the 17 other participants, they just injected that into the knee. So they didn't actually put it into the defect. And then they followed them for a year to see which group would do better. I was very happy to see the results of this study because it was very well done. And for years, providers in the bone marrow camp have been saying, oh, umbilical cord stem cells don't produce new cartilage, it's a scam, this and that. Well, numerous new studies this year have shown significantly improved cartilage restoration with injections into the knee. And now we know that it's even better than with bone marrow treatment. So what these research showed with statistical significance was better pain reduction, less stiffness, faster, better restoration of function that was sustained throughout the whole year, quicker return to sport, improved physical activity function, and activities of daily living. So across the board, umbilical cord stem cell therapy was better than the bone marrow results. Now, at 12 months, they took these patients back to the operating room for a second look arthroscopy. They wanted to see what does it actually look like under the scope, and they showed that the hyaline cartilage production, they took some biopsy samples, was better in the umbilical cord group than the bone marrow group. Yes, the bone marrow group did show some hyaline cartilage production, and it looked actually pretty impressive as well. But these results don't lie. There was better hyaline cartilage production in the umbilical cord stem cell group, faster pain relief that was sustained, faster return to physical function which was sustained, and more activities of daily living, faster return to sport, all the things that you would hope to see, every outcome measure that they looked at. So I wanted to harp on this again because we've been getting so much flack for years from people in the bone marrow camp, but when the results are actually reverse. Umbilical cord stem cells are better. So if you or a loved one is having significant knee arthritis or a defined cartilage defect in any joint, now we have excellent objective and subjective data to prove it works better. Visit us online today at r3stemcell.com. You can also give us a call at +1 844-GET-STEM. We'll set you up with a free consultation to discuss how a regenerative procedure with donor stem cells can help you. Thank you.